will be part of our inauguration for the clubhouse and amenities of San Remo Oasis. I would like to call all our special guests together with Mr. Richard Yap as we proceed to our ribbon cutting.
Where do we take? Alright. Rudy, you're joining us?
Okay. You keep that with her. What for that? Excuse me, media.
Ay, media, sorry. Taga media.
Media guys.
Any questions? Thank you.
Doing our ribbon cutting would be Mr. Tristan Lasmarias, First Vice President and Visayas Mindanao Cluster Head. Ms. Bernadette Ramos, Vice President for Real Estate Marketing. We also have Julie Castaño, Project Development Officer of San Remo Oasis. And of course, Richard Yap, Phil Invest Brand Ambassador and Dream Advocate.
Yes, totally. Okay. Let's cut in 1, 2, 3. Eyes here, please.
Congratulations!